How to reset parental control settings on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to parental controls. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to this and enter the pin you set on this parental control. So my pin is 2222, and after that, okay, in parental control, go to below to see the reset to default. So here you can restore parental controls back to the factory default settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to this and the pop-up bar show, okay, the parental controls will revert back to the factory default settings. So okay, you'll have to do is select okay to reset the parental control settings or back to default settings, the parental control. And that's it, okay? We have successfully reset parental control settings on Devant Smart TV.